Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change graphics settings on Survivor.io application. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Launch Open your Survivor.io application and make sure that it loads up. Once you are done and you have started playing the game, go and tap on the menu bar located at the top left hand corner. In the pop-up, tap on Settings, and under the Settings menu, you'll be able to see an option that says Graphics. Tap on the default graphics setting right next to the graphic option. Right now it has selected HD as default. Simply tap on it and then you can select between mid, high, or HD. Select one of your choices between mid, high to HD, and once you are done with it, you can get back and start playing the game with the graphic settings of your choice. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.